57% of all web traffic is now bots, not humans. That number changes everything for marketers. Today, we're looking at the new visibility playbook, from citation metrics and agent-friendly checklists to voice clones and a button that could break the outrage economy. And the ad tech settlement that says the industry is still willing to talk. For the first time, more than half of all page requests on the internet are coming from bots, not humans. 57%, according to Cloudflare's latest data. AI agents are driving the surge, and that means your page view count is now a vanity metric. The new scoreboard is citation rates and AI referral traffic. If your brand is invisible to bots, you're losing a massive slice of the search audience without even knowing it. Google just handed marketers a cheat code. The 7 rules it published for making content visible to AI agents are essentially an accessibility audit checklist. That means you can fix one thing, say the default button styling in Tailwind version 4, and suddenly you're compliant for both screen readers and search agents. Quarterly audit cycles just became a single pass. AI search engines are now splitting into 2 very different memory strategies. Some always retrieve fresh content from the live web. Others decide on the fly whether to trust their trained parameters. This split dictates where your brand appears and how its answers are sourced. So you need a dual SEO playbook, optimizing for both real-time retrieval and being embedded in the model's memory itself. AI voice clones are splitting the creator economy right down the middle. Unauthorized replicas are siphoning engagement and revenue from real creators, while brands race to license official digital twins. If you have a sonic identity, it's now up for grabs. The legal gray zone means every brand has to decide: control your voice or risk losing it. Seth Godin says platforms have turned trolling into a business model. Algorithmic outrage drives clicks, which drives ad dollars. His fix? A troll button that defaults to opt out, forcing companies to redesign their incentives. If every user is automatically opted out of trollbait, the whole profit-fueled chaos machine collapses, and that changes what content gets promoted and which communities thrive. After months of dispute over hidden ad tech fees, Publicis and the Trade Desk have buried the hatchet. Publicis will once again recommend the platform to its clients. The settlement clears the path for renewed collaboration, but the audit findings that sparked the fight won't be forgotten. Agencies are only going to demand more transparency from here on out. The takeaway? Visibility is no longer about human eyeballs. It's about whether an AI agent decides to mention you. The brands that instrument for that will have a quiet, massive advantage. Until next time, watch the bots.